Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome automatically opening when Windows starts. This can be quite annoying when you boot up your computer and Chrome launches without you wanting it to. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up your Start menu where you can search for various system features and applications. In the search bar that appears, type in Settings and press Enter. This will take you directly to your Windows Settings panel where you can adjust various system configurations. Once the settings window opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see several menu options listed there. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section controls all the applications installed on your computer and how they behave during startup and throughout your Windows experience. Within the Apps section, look for and click on Startup. This particular area shows you all the programs that are configured to launch automatically when you turn on or restart your computer. It's a useful feature for some apps, but it can slow down your boot time if too many programs are enabled here. Now scroll through the list of applications until you find Google Chrome. You'll notice a toggle button right beside it. Click on this toggle to turn it off. By disabling this option, you're preventing Chrome from launching automatically every time Windows starts up. This should immediately resolve the issue of Chrome opening on its own. However, there's one more important step to ensure Chrome stays closed during startup. On the left side of the settings window again, click on Accounts. This section manages your user account settings and sign-in preferences, which can also affect how apps behave during startup. Within the Accounts section, click on Sign-in Options. Here you'll find several settings that control how Windows handles your apps and information when you sign in or restart your computer. These settings are crucial because they can override your startup preferences if left enabled. Now look for three specific options in this section. The first one is automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in. The second is show account details such as my email address on the sign-in screen, and the third is use my sign-in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. Make sure the toggle button beside each of these options is turned off. These settings can cause Windows to reopen apps like Chrome even if you've disabled them in the startup section, so disabling them ensures Chrome won't automatically launch, and that's it. You've successfully prevented Google Chrome from opening automatically when Windows starts. Your computer will now boot up without Chrome launching on its own. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.